back to the channel, guys. Welcome to the Ramadan daily. It's Sunday, so happy Sunday to us. Obviously you guys are probably watching this on like Tuesday or something. It's been a very busy week, and often what happens during very busy weeks is that we don't always get the chance to like do a nice clean. So this place is looking kind of crazy, okay? It's looking a little crazy. You guys are used to that by now for me, because I used to do like clean with me videos all the time, and like the beginning state of my homes would look so crazy. And it's kind of given that right now. So we need to tidy up a bit, get this week going, so you guys can use this as inspo for like your weekly resets as well and cleaning up. But you know how it is during Ramadan, man. It gets very busy. So this is how we're splitting things up, because my husband doesn't like when I'm in the room when he's cleaning. So I'm gonna be on this side, he's gonna be on this side. Show what you were just doing. So he's gonna be taking care of the kitchen. Oh, you acting up behind the camera. So he's gonna be taking care of the kitchen, and I'm gonna be doing the, I'm trying to get you caught.
Man, they don't need to see all that, man. Y'all said I don't clean? Are you serious? Tell them.
Oh, he was, stop it.
Y'all got me effed up.
Stop it. No, that one really got under his skin, because he really be the main one cleaning around here. But anyways, the kitchen, you know, it's struggling a little bit. We've been at iftars this week, you know, not really at the house. So he's gonna handle all this. I'm gonna handle, I mean, there's not much here. It's just kind of like tidying and stuff. And then the bedroom, my clothes are just kind of everywhere. So I need to do that, maybe change the bed sheets, all that. And then the office, my mom is cringing right now. Sorry, mama. I'm cleaning it though, okay? That's all that matters. The office, this is all my stuff. I'm not even gonna lie. This is definitely all me. So I'm gonna be organizing all this. It's just like, this PR situation is getting a little bit crazy, and like as great as it is to receive PR, it's actually very stressful because I do not have the space. Like, one thing about this apartment, and I feel like why it gets messy so quickly, is there are no storage closets. I don't know why these new age condos are just being built with no storage closets. Like, we literally have a coat closet in the front that's like a sliver. Like, it's not even like a full closet size. And then we have like one shoe closet that are filled with shoes, obviously. So we actually don't have any storage. We do have a storage unit, but it's like, I want like just, if we just had like one closet extra in this apartment, like it would solve so many of our issues, but you know, we don't. So I'm the queen of just decluttering and getting rid of stuff so that we can have space in here. But anyways, I'm gonna get started. We are gonna get started, and let's do a little clean with me video. As for me, I'm gonna get started on all this.
Collection coming through, like we really don't need these slates. Like,
no, I'm gonna be donating all those.
All these?
All the like blue chipped ones, like all that. Be donating out.
Doing whatever. This actually tricked me to actually clean by putting it on camera. This is a setup.
Say hello to Yasin Cam. The dramatics. This man is all about the dramatics.
Catch me in 4K.
Yours is not in 4K actually, it's 1080p. Should I turn on the AC while we clean? I'm like low-key sweating.
Oh, niggas didn't even do no work and they sweating like. You guys need more 2 pillows. Setting up the camera and move the pillow.
This is a lot of work. 65? You're actually thin. I'm trying to get your angles, okay? You should appreciate me.
I'm gonna get this fresh fade.
I'm gonna call this video Cleaning and Banter.
Cleaning what?
Cleaning and Banter.
And banter?
Yeah. You know what banter means? What does it mean?
Huh?
What does it mean?
Don't piss me off. I'm full of banter. Man, we got the silent vibe, the Ramadan vibes. Ah, I'm crying. Yo, this is how she tricked me to actually clean by putting it on camera. This is a setup. She's been fixing the same pillow for 5 minutes. Hey, yo.
But look how nice it looks. I remember when I got this in Ethiopia. We weren't married yet. You remember? For my parents watching. It's actually kind of a funny story. But I was like, oh, I need to find a marto. And my dad was like, why do you need a marto? And I was like, oh, it's just for a friend of mine. And he's like, who? And I just like made up some friend. And I was like, yeah, they just asked me to get them one. Yeah, it's actually for Yasin, my now husband. But and he uses it every day to pray, so you know. Living room is complete. Looking nice and clean. Oh, forgot that area. Been dreading the most, the office. There's been so many like try-ons this week and PR and just stuff I haven't been able to get to, and that turns into this. We still have a few sizes left in the Happy Looks Good on You sets, so if you guys still haven't shopped these, they're like literally the most comfortable lounge sets. And yeah, check them out. I'll link them below. I know sometimes on YouTube it shows that it's like out of stock, but if you actually go to the website, not all sizes are out of stock yet. So I believe just like some of the larger sizes, like the XLs and the double XLs and stuff, and 3XLs might be sold out. You guys seem to like those sizes, so I'll be sure to like include more in the future. But yeah, shop and support. I just got some products in from Basma Beauty, and I've actually never tried anything from this brand. I feel like, are they Muslim owned? Maybe someone can tell me. I feel like they are. Like Basma, that's definitely a Muslim name. But they sent over some foundation sticks. I feel like I have so many foundation sticks already, but I'll give this a try and see how it is. I feel like this probably is going to be my shade. Number 800. Yeah. That looks like it's going to be like my exact shade, but maybe I'll just keep 2 of these just in case. I love the packaging though. It's like this like metal magnetic packaging, really good quality. Place is looking so clean. This is what the office is looking like so far. Got rid of all the clothes, organized the PR, and then I just started on a little box to share with the like the front desk girls. I asked them if they wanted like some makeup and stuff, and they said yes. So I'm starting a little box for them over there. And then the living room looks so clean. The living room and the kitchen. It looks incredible. Husband's working on the bedroom right now. It's looking good in here. Starting the week off nice and fresh. Also, my friend Nesma invited us over for iftar tonight, so I'm going to pack us some soup, and then I'm also going to make banana bread real quick and take that as well. And yeah, that's a long day, very long day. This is the last place I didn't really get to, and I feel like it's going to take a little bit longer, but I'm going to see if I can just bang this out in like 10 to 20 minutes and get it to a decent state, and then I'll like really organize this place another day. So let me set y'all up. Oh, that's not a great angle. Sometimes you gotta get creative with these angles, you feel me? So home is pretty much clean. I was gonna make banana bread because we have all of these like almost rotten bananas, but I just realized I don't have flour and I don't have butter, so I can't make that. I'm just gonna put everything in this Ziploc, and then maybe tomorrow or the day after I'm gonna make banana bread or like banana muffins or something. I thought I had flour, but I guess I only have self-rising flour, which would have worked too, but then I didn't have butter. So I'm just gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow and pick up all of those things. Also, I think I mentioned like in a past vlog that I was gonna do the finance video. So I didn't end up shooting last week, but my financial advisor is coming over tomorrow and we're gonna shoot that video. So I'm looking forward to it, and just looking forward to like his advice too. I feel like it'll be really good. But right now it's like almost 5 o'clock and we're gonna head to Nesma's house because she wanted to like walk to this market a little bit earlier before iftar, and then I'm also gonna bring my soup there because we have a lot and I don't know what else to bring, so I'm just gonna bring the soup. And for the soup, I think I'm just gonna bring it in a pot. Ladles full each would be good. I feel like this should be fine. 2, 3, 6, 10. To Nesma's house now. We're running a little bit behind. I think she wanted us there at like 5:30, but it's okay. We're heading over. Sun is setting right now. I have the soup on my lap right now, and it's just like, it's not even warm, but it smells so good. Okay guys, Nesma just brought us to this like French shop in the Grove that I've walked by hundreds of times and have never actually walked into. Fresh baguette, still warm. I'm like, I almost like cried just now. But also getting some French butter. This is gonna be the first thing that I break my fast on after a date, maybe. Oh my god, I'm in love. I need to come back in here. It's called Marcel something, Monsieur Marcel. And it's just like all little French thingies. Like, it's so cute. What's that for?
For like our espresso.
Oh. Is it better to do it with glass?
Well,
Or you just for aesthetics? Oh, okay.
It's long and like perfect.
Okay. This place has absolutely everything. Like, look at these cute little bowls. Oh my god. They're so cute. Little wooden spoons. Oh my god. This is so cute. This little olive dish. Look how cute. Oh my god, I love this. No, I really don't need this, but I want it. What? It's so cute. Guys, like, I don't think you understand my level of excitement for this fresh bread. Like, it's literally fresh. How did they even... Was I watching you?
Like,
thank you so much. That's hilarious. You already know what's going on today. My favorite place in LA when it comes to ice cream or dessert. Bacio de latte. Bacio de latte. So good. Happy you got your ice cream. Cheers. Good morning, guys. I didn't really get to end yesterday's vlog. But we just ended up getting ice cream and then coming back home and relaxing. Well, we didn't even really relax. We kind of just like went straight to bed. We were so exhausted from like cleaning all day. But I didn't show you guys while we were in that French store that I was like obsessed with, that I literally cannot wait to go back to this week. I saw this little like olive tray dish. I feel like I maybe showed it online. I can't really remember, or like on the video. But afterwards, we like went obviously to Nesma's house. We had iftar and everything. And at the very end, as we were leaving to like the ice cream shop, she's like, "Oh wait, like you forgot something. Like we got something." I was like, "What?" And then she hands me this. She literally bought it for me. Like, how sweet is that? She saw like how much I loved it, and she was like, "We just picked it up for you." And I thought that was like the sweetest thing ever. I love it so much. You could put like olive oil here and put like balsamic vinegar or like different dips or just whatever. Like, it's just the most cutest little tray. Like, I'm genuinely so obsessed with it. Or like lebne and olive oil and like za'atar. I don't know. I just feel like it's the cutest thing ever. And I'm pretty sure it's like made in France or something. I could be wrong, but it's so cute. Oh, it's made in Portugal. It's the cutest thing ever. Like, I'm obsessed. Anyways, that was super sweet of them. But I have quite a busy day. I am about to start like setting, well, I have to do some like work on the computer, but I'm going to be setting up for the finance video with my financial advisor. He's coming out over around like 2 p.m. and it's currently 10, so I have a couple hours, but I have some work to do. And then later on, I'm going to be, well, yeah, the next vlog you'll kind of see what I do for the rest of the day. So I love you guys. Thank you for joining me on my Sunday/Monday morning, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.